Hey, I'm Amy with Feller Roofing, the home of the roofer chick. One of my customers today, I took Lily out on the job with me. Lily, come back here. And she got Lily a puppuccino, which I never even knew existed, from Starbucks. So we've got it. See what she thinks. She's gonna be like, you gotta look at the camera though. Oh, there, the camera moves for you. What do you think? Quit looking at him. Here, try it on her. She's like, no. I wonder. Okay, we're gonna try, I think it's the cup. Try that, put it in her food bowl. What do you think of that? Winner! Thank you, Miss Cynthia. And in summary, Lily doesn't like to have things out of a cup. She likes it in her food bowl.